Hello people, so today we will talk about Google Sheet application on our mobile phone and the way how to remove view only on the documents of Google Sheet application. So here I already have one document that is in view only. You can check for the information that pop up right after you open the documents, or you can also click this three small dot because the below of the title will be display the format of the documents. So you'll see here is the format of this document is view only. So if you want to remove it, you just need to focus on this option and you just need to go click this share and export and go click this make a copy. And now the application will start copy every single data of these documents. And now you will have an ability to edit this document by go click the cells and go click this site. And see, you will got this change to edit the cells. So that is the way guys how to remove view only on Google Sheet documents with a mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.